My name's Colin McCall, and today we're going to be walking through some frequently asked questions as it relates to effective prompting. What constitutes a good prompt for Microsoft Copilot? Good prompts really is going to be clear, concise, and specific. Should explain not only what the user wants Copilot to do, but also provide any other additional context or details regarding that ask, define those parameters, and then also give it some structure in terms of how you would like that response to be outputted. The more complex your outcome that you're looking for, the more complex your prompt likely needs to be. In terms of how we recommend setting this up, initially we like to start by just outlining what is that outcome or goal that we want Copilot to produce for us, and this is usually where most people kind of end their prompt. It is important to provide Copilot with some instruction in terms of how you would like that outcome to be formatted. Next, we'll add in any warnings. So if we only want to look at either our graph data or information solely from the web, and then here we can include any of our other pieces of context, whether this is referencing documents or emails or Teams messages, whatever it may be. Once we have that initial prompt set up, really the next step to any good prompting session is going to be iteration. So now that we have an initial outcome, we can go ahead and use more prompts to tweak what we have initially received. This can be in the form of asking it to be more clear, summarize what it's included, maybe even condense the outcome that it has provided, or give it some guidance in terms of the tone of the text that it has outputted. So what are some examples of less effective prompts? If your prompts are overly vague, ambiguous, or just overall broad, Copilot's going to have a hard time getting you the right answer. One of the biggest drawbacks to Copilot, along with any other AI model, is it's only as good as the information that you provided. If I just asked it, what are my action items from last week? It's not really going to understand as much as, if you're asking in regards to a specific meeting or an email. So being more specific is always going to be more effective. Thank you so much for joining us as we walk through some of the commonly asked questions as it regards to prompting when using Copilot. If you have more questions, just let us know. We'd be happy to chat with you.